Almost a year ago, we bought a 1989 Carver 3807 to completely restore. And in the spirit of always being cold, I decided to set this one out. So in December of last year, Russell and Mike went to Middle River, Maryland, where they took the 2-day, very cold trek to bring the boat to Coles Point.
We're there.
On the first leg of the journey, they went to Solomon's Island, where they may have indulged in some fireball, but just to keep warm, of course, enjoyed some beautiful snow and the Christmas parade, and then got up the next day and finished the journey to Coles Point, where we would start the year-long project on completely restoring this boat, not only to its original glory, but maybe just a little bit better.
We're cruising the East Coast and Bahamas too. On the Hangover 3, we're living a dream come true. Schoolie bus adventures across the USA with friends and cocktails each and every day. We're What the Hell Adventures, and that's our name. Living life full lives, playing life's game. We're always on the go, and we're seeking brand new thrills, making memories together, and that's what gives us all our thrills.
Alright, so we are here at Coles Point Marina in Hague, Virginia, and we are walking down to what will be our next flip. It is a 1988 Carver 3807 aft cabin with twin Mercruiser 454s. And this is where we'll keep the boat until we flip it, and then we'll put our next project here. Check out that cool thing.
That's the Mad Max boat.
The Mad Max boat, Russell says. She definitely needs some work, but that is what we do. We're going to make her beautiful again and then send her off to new owners. Alright, so we're going to go inside. Like I said, she needs a lot of work.
But we specialize in that.
Go down to the aft. Here is one of the heads. Shower. It's Russell. Here is the galley.
It is not pretty right now, but it will be.
Head number 2. And then stateroom number 2.
So it begins.
So here we are. We got the wall stripped down, some taping. Russell's doing some staining and getting ready to do some clearing. We have a lot of demo carpet pulled up. We just have an absolute complete disaster right now. So during all this hard work, we had to take a little break so Russell could have knee surgery.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
That's right, Russell had knee surgery. He had what they call a tibial osteotomy. It's where they cut the shin bone just below the knee and reshape it to correct the alignment because he was bow-legged. Then it's held together with plates and screws. Yep, it's as bad as it sounds. So during his long recovery, we had to take some time off from working on the boat, but doesn't mean we don't get to enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Hey, Captain, what are you doing? Are you driving?
No. No, I still ain't 100% certain we're exactly straight down there neither, but we're getting out of here one way. Hey, wait a minute. Mike might have it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is a beautiful flag.
Yes, it is.
Well, first trip of the year. Sink or swim. Wait a minute. Float or sink.
I'll go, but let's just float.
This is peaceful. It is just about Jaeger bomb time. Debt relief. This is the good life.
What do you got to say about the good life?
I freaking love the good life. We live the good life. We live incredible. And it's only going to get better from here.
There you go.
Couple more Jaeger bombs and a margarita. Ain't no telling where we're going to wind up.
What's up? Driving from the inside?
It's a minefield out there.
Grab packs are already.
Yeah, I know, man. I didn't know how to navigate that stuff. I guess I did it right.
I mean, go through it. That's about the only thing you get. This is freaky.
Just remember, everything's back.
I know, it's freaky. Oh, shit. Freaky. Here's to the good life.
The problem is there's 3 hoses on that thing, so.
Well, the one in the middle is irrelevant.
Return. Here's to being irrelevant.
Cheers.
Go wherever you decide to go. Tell me, buddy. Got nothing but time.
Hey, baby, where are we?
Baby, yeah, it's Sawtooth Island, baby. Baby, it is beautiful, baby. Let's go riding, baby. Let's explore the island, baby, and get out and float. What up, buddy, Mike? Well, you ain't churning up anything, so I think you're all right. And it's getting deeper. Look at that. Hell yeah. Baby, you look so sexy. I love my wife, just so everybody knows. I do. She is so hot, baby. Baby, you make me feel good. Oh, man. Trying to rub a pitch, folks. 2296 represent. Thanks for coming along with us on this episode of What the Hell Adventures. And stay tuned next week as we put a little more heart and soul into our Carver. Trust me, this boat turned out beautiful. And as always, we're going to have a little fun along the way. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe. It helps more than you know.